Hi, this is Pete from blogginggenius.net and welcome to video 4. In this video I'm going to take you through WordPress installation. Now first off we need to go into our cPanel. So if you remember from video 3 where I showed you how to access your hosting and also your cPanel. So here we need to scroll down and come to this section here, Software and Services, and we're going to click on Fantastico Deluxe. We click on that and that will take us to this page. Now if you look on the left hand side where it says blogs, you have B2 Evolution, Nucleus and WordPress. So we click on WordPress, we come here to new installation. Now this is the installation page. So we need to look for our blog or our URL that we redirected to, in this case D9 hosting. So now this will be the domain name that WordPress will be installed on. In this second section, this is for a directory. So it says here, leave empty to install in the root directory of the domain. So i.e. your domain will remain, in this example, pete's/blog.com. If you put in here, for example, blog, then your URL will then look like this. So it'd be pete'sblog.com/blog. If you leave it blank, it would just be pete'sblog.com as you see here. Or if you put videos, you can put anything you like in here, and Fantastico, as it installs, will actually create a new directory for this URL, because the URL will then change. And it says here this directory should not exist, it will be automatically created. So for this example I'm going to leave it blank, so then my URL will remain pete'sblog.com. The next section is admin access data. Here you need an administrator username. You need this to enter the protected admin area. So basically to log in then to your blog, you will need this. This will be your username and then a password. So I just put in a username, not too many R's there, and a password. And then we go on to the base configuration. Bit of this, isn't it? So we don't need that. So we need an admin nickname. So this will show up whenever you make a post. So you need to get it right now. So if you leave it empty, the default with WordPress is author. Now I think personally that that's not too good. You need to put your name or whatever pen name you're using for your blog. It makes it a little bit more personal and people relate to people. So I'm going to use Pete. So the admin email. So this will be the email that you've already created in the previous video. Mine was Pete at. Be okay if I could type properly. pete'sblog.com. And the site name. Now this is crucial because you can't change this after. So you need to put in here the name of your site. Now this is your title. So this is, if your URL, if you're going after a specific keyword, then your keyword needs to be in your site name. For me, this is just an example for a test blog that I'm setting up purposely for these videos. So it's not that important. Okay, so for the site name, I'm just going to call it the same as the URL, Pete's blog. Description, we can leave that blank because we can add that in after, and I'll show you how to do that afterwards. So then we just click install WordPress. Install WordPress. So it's done the MySQL database and MySQL user. You chose to install in the main directory of pete'sblog.com. The access URL will be pete'sblog.com. Click on finish installation to continue. Okay. Here is all your details. Now you need to copy and paste all this because otherwise if you forget it, then you can't access anything. This URL here is now your access to your admin area. So we'll just add that to our little notepad. This is very important because we need this to be able to actually log into our blog. So that's it. You can, if you want, email the details of this installation to an email address. So if I put in here, it was Pete at petesblog.com and click send email, then they will actually send all these details then to my email on my domain. Okay, so that's it for this. We'll just go to an untitled document now, and we'll log into our admin area. So this is what you will see. You need to bookmark this page because this is what you'll be using. So I can now log in. Now I know that everybody has seen my username and my password, so I will be changing it. Okay, now this is basically the back office now of your WordPress blog. So I'll give you a quick overview. So this is the dashboard. On the left side, we have all our information. So we have our posts, that's for adding posts, add new categories, post tags. I'll go through all this in later videos. Media, so this is for uploading images and video. Links, this is for linking to other blogs and other websites. Pages, so you can add new pages and also edit and edit previous pages. This is for your comments. The appearance section, so we can change themes. I'll just show you the default theme for WordPress actually, which is called 2010. It's actually quite a nice theme. So if we click on here, it will take us now to the default settings. So there we go, it's Pete's blog, and this is what you'll see. This is the 2010 thing. You can actually put a new a custom header in here, and as you'll see, you get a basic post with hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit or delete it, then start blogging. In the next video I'll show you how to do that. We have widgets, menus, background, header and editor. Now if you're pretty good with CSS code and HTML, then the editor is for you. Personally I'm not, so I don't go into it that much. This is the plugin section. This is where we can add anything, pretty much anything we want to a blog. So we have the plugins, add new and editor. It's all quite basic, straightforward stuff. Users, you can add a new user, your profile. Tools for importing and exporting files, and then your settings. So we have the general settings, writing, reading, discussion, media, privacy and permalinks. In the next video I'll be going through the general settings with you, because there's a couple of settings that we need to change on here, a couple of custom settings. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in video 5.